Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save all in-chat messages on the Zoom website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on Settings in the left side column. Go to the top and click on Meeting at the top, then scroll down to the In Meeting Basic section and find this auto saving chats feature, meaning that you can automatically save the in-meeting chats so that the host don't need to manually save the text of the chat after the meeting starts. So tap on this button to turn on this feature. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.